Good morning. It's late season in Alabama. We're up here on some public grounds. There were a few turkeys up here a few weeks back. Been talking to a couple people. Goblin's kind of hit or miss right now. Don't really know what's going on. Don't know if they're finishing up or just the turkeys are getting smarter and just not gobbling. Either way, we're up here. We're excited. Like I said, there was a few gobblers up here last week gobbling. So hopefully they're still gobbling. Hopefully the hens are going straight to the nest and they're gobbling good. So it's about 20 minutes till gobbling time. We're gonna break day here. If we don't get anything here, we're gonna try a few more spots. I know where some turkeys may be. Hadn't been up here in a week or so, so y'all hang with us, and hopefully we'll be on a gobbling turkey here for long. It's gonna be a good day. Quick update: we got 2 or 3 birds gobbling. There's one gobbling more than the rest back here in this draw. We're going around here to see if we can't get a little bit closer to him. Really hope the truck don't mess him up. It's been very quiet, no truck traffic this morning. We're gonna get back here and see if we can't get closer to him and get on him. He's gobbling pretty good. So y'all hang with me, maybe we'll be on him in just a minute. Well, quick update. Got over here around the turkey. He gobbled okay, but finally just shut up. To be honest with you, I feel like the turkeys ought to be gobbling really good right now. All the hens ought to be going to their nests first thing in the morning. It's a little bit overcast this morning and breezy, but I don't think it's enough to shut the turkey gobbling down, but it very well could be. Anyways, we're gonna go back over here towards where we heard this other turkey. He didn't gobble very good on the limb, but he may be ready on the ground, so we're gonna make our way in here and see if he gobbles. Hopefully he does. If not, we'll just bounce around from spot to spot. We'll see what happens. What's up, guys? It's about 8:30. Just pulled up to a spot, been listening for about 15 minutes. Thought I could hear a turkey gobbling. Had some crows. Finally made my way down the road a little ways. And he's gobbling down in that bottom. It's a little windy, so we're going to get down in there and hopefully he stays gobbling until we get close to him. Y'all stay with me. Well, we came back in here. We're about 100 yards, 150 yards from where I dropped a pin, where the turkey was gobbling. I thought. I haven't heard the turkey gobble since I've been down in this bottom. We hadn't made a call yet. Fixed to get set up and make a call, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna probably start off with some light stuff. Maybe he'll gobble. Either way, we're gonna see. get him, boys. Had to get him. I don't know if I got the shot on camera. Probably not. But I tried. Midday turkey. How about that? Let me fix the camera. Midday turkey. That is awesome. Came in here. Never been down this road before. Walked a long ways back here. We're probably a mile back here. And a crow hit. And I thought I heard a turkey gobble from way over here, probably 300 yards. But this bottom runs right to where I was, so when he gobbled, it must have just came down the draw. But I got back here and got a little closer, and I started hearing him gobble then, and he was gobbling on his own. So it's one of them things where it wasn't going to take him long to come on up here, but man, he was fun. He gobbled good. If I didn't get to kill on camera, it is what it is. I try so hard to, but sometimes it just don't work out. He's got a good beard on him. Oh, he's got 3 beards. Let me get my GoPro and show y'all that. Check this out. One beard, 2 beard, and he's got a real small 3rd beard. 1 beard, 2 beard, 3 beards. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. He was a beautiful turkey, man. I had a lot of fun. I set myself up. If you look right up here, it's a knoll. And he was just on the other side of it, gobbling over here. And if I would have crested the top of the hill, he would have busted me all day long. So I had to use the terrain for my advantage. It's a little bit of a thicket behind me, like where a hen would nest. But man, he got up here and he didn't see a hen. And he tucked that wing and he was just fixing to leave. And I had to shoot him, so. Had a pretty good shot. He's a, well, I'd call him a 2-year-old, but nowadays you can't judge turkeys by their spurs. They just, he's a gobbling turkey and I'm excited to get him. I've worked hard all day trying to get on a turkey that's ready to work. You just got to put the dirt under your boots, man, and and stay consistent. Don't ever get down on it, because there's somewhere out here in the woods a turkey gobbling. Time to reminisce and go home. Thank you, old boy.